Hi everyone, I'm Twyla with Natrona County Library, and I'm here to share a take and make craft with you today. That's where we make up a packet of a craft. You come into the library, pick it up, then you take it home and you make it. And today's craft is a paper butterfly puppet. And you can fly it through the air, you can make a butterfly, play with it, whatever you want, okay? Now, in your packet, you will get a wings template, a body template that has a circle a circle on one end and dash lines. You will get two googly eyes and a pencil and then some colored scrap paper that you can make your dots and stuff with. What you're going to need is a glue stick or glue, a pair of scissors, and something to punch holes with. Now, I happen to have a really small hole punch. You could use a sharpened pencil, a Phillips screwdriver, and all of your parents have one. Something just to punch a hole in, big enough to fit a pencil through. So I have already cut out my wings and my body template. That's what you're going to start with. Cut those out. And we're going to start with the body template. And you'll start at the end that has the circle on it. And the first dash line, you are going to fold it backwards along that line. And then you're going to fold it in like fan style, back and forward. And back and forth. Until you fold that last dash line. Now, while you still have it folded up, that's when you're going to punch your hole through all those layers. Now, this is probably the toughest part because it's a little hard to get through that many layers of paper. So if you need help with that, just ask one of your parents. And I'm going to do, my hole punch is kind of small. Makes kind of a small hole. So I'm going to punch another hole kind of right beside it on one side and maybe another one on the other side of it. Just to kind of make the hole a little bit bigger. Then you're going to feed your pencil through that hole. And once you get it on your pencil, then you can fan out your folds along the length of the pencil. Okay, kind of like that. And you're going to have some extra here. That's to make his head with. So I'm going to come up just a little bit here on my pencil. And you're going to take that extra part and you're going to fold it toward that first fold. And you're going to glue it down in place. So I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to put some glue on the underside of this. I'm going to curl it around like that. And attach it to that first fold. Okay, just like that. So now you have the head and the body's attached. Now, while I still have the body there, I'm going to take my googly eyes and I'm going to glue those onto my head of my butterfly. Okay, whoop, you stuck to my finger. And there you have your two eyes on there. Then I'm going to take him and put him face down and kind of flatten out the body a little bit, okay? And that's because we want to attach it to our wings, and it's a little hard with it all just a little bit curled up and stuff. So you want to flatten it out a little bit so it'll stick better. Then put some glue on the middle part of your wings, and then put your butterfly right down on that. Press down on the glue, let it dry for a little bit, and ta-da! We have a butterfly. All right. Now, to make it more decorative, you can draw these on if you want, or with the extra scrap paper that you have in there, you can cut small circles or any kind of shape you want. I happen to make some bigger circles and then some smaller circles in there between. And I'm just going to glue those onto my butterfly wings. Okay, there. Now I have all of my little dots glued on, and my butterfly puppet is ready to play with. Okay, hope you have fun. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.